Hello, my name is Anastasya Regina Arafsi. I want to tell you about a report text that the theme is technology invention which changed the world. Okay, let's get started. Airplanes are one of the technological inventions that have changed the world. The inventors of the first airplane were the Wright brothers. The first time an airplane was flown by the Wright brothers, Orville and Wilbur Wright. Using an airplane of their own design called the Flyer in the United States. On December 17, 1903, Wilbur and Orville Wright achieved the first powered, sustained, and controlled flight. Airplane parts consist of: first, nose section is the front part of the airplane. In this section, there is a control room which is often referred to as the cockpit. Cockpit room is a room with an airplane control panel. The second part, namely the body section, is the middle part of the plane. The body section is the largest part in an airplane. This section is where the airplane's wings are placed, and in this section there is also the landing gear. Then, the tail section, the plane path. It is the rear part of the airplane in which there is an APU or auxiliary power unit. This section also has several parts of flight control. The last one is the wing section. The wing section of an airplane. Attached to this wing is an airplane engine. Airplanes used for different forces, namely, the first is lift, to lift the plane up. The second is the force of gravity, creates weight and keeps the plane on the ground. The third is drag, which inhibits the plane moving forward. And the last one is the thrust. It generated from the airplane engine that makes the plane forward. In order for an airplane to fly, it uses a lift that is greater than the force of gravity. In addition, it is added to the thrust from the airplane engine that makes the plane go at a certain speed. To move forward, the airplane uses an engine that produces a large thrust. The airplane engine functions to suck air and push it back. In one shape, the plane can suck 57 million liters of air. The air is then converted into power to propel the plane forward. Until now, airplanes still exist throughout the world. The invention of the airplane has changed the world. In the past, before airplanes were invented, people could not reach far away, including abroad. But now, after the invention of the airplane, people can reach distant places even abroad. So, the invention of the airplane means so much to humans that airplanes still exist today. Okay, that's all from me, and thank you.